Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. So today we're going to learn processing status and release status of pricing actually in S4HANA. So if you look at this, same thing you can able to try in your ECC also. There is no exception, but you have a little processing status, uh, field limitation you have might be. Okay, but at the end of the day, there is no much difference when you try to compare in your system actually. Okay, so before moving ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. That's what my request is all about. And when it comes to currently, I'm holding 8,000 plus students. The current topic I'm just trying to add here in a pricing SAP SD S4 HANA sales pricing concepts. Here I have explained many things, okay, related to pricing. If really wanted to explore on your own, you can certainly give a try. Okay, this is one of the best course after my ECC course. Here I explained a lot more related to pricing. Okay, coming to tax determination, markup scenarios. Okay, if you go back to like few of the topics available in YouTube also, a minimum order value and pricing changes and freight discounts, a lot of things, condition index, condition update, okay, cash discount before tax and after tax, and pallet discounts with three scenarios. Okay, you can able to learn all these things. Okay, so if you wanted to give a try, you can give a try this course. And more importantly, I would like to give an update. This I have already given other videos also. So you can try this course. As for HANA sales, currently it is holding 81 hours, 81 point hours. It will be continuously get updated. Currently 274 lectures. Let's come back to our topic. Okay. So irrespective of any course, like near to real time, you can learn idocs, you can learn how to write a functional specification. I have explained. So let's go to VK 12 or 13. Okay, so probably I can able to take. So this currently is holding two, what I would say, two different key combinations. Okay, so you can take this an example as of now. Okay, so let me try to I have to maintain condition records. If you look at this, there is something called, this is called your processing status. This is called your, basically your releasing status. There is no values. Okay, so releasing status, you have a statuses already updated. So when you maintain your processing status, your releasing status will be updated. What is the basic advantage? So let's try to see one simple example so that you can able to apply these statuses on your real-time basis. Okay, for that, let's go to SPRO, a reference IMG. Okay, let me try to use Excel. Okay, so generally what happens if you take, for example, you have a any condition type. For example, I will take JAD, okay, JAD-MD one. This is for your material discount. Okay, so simply you can take a combination of sales org and material. Okay, you can take different combinations also, customer, material, and other combinations for comparison. Okay, so what I would say, so assume that this is the condition type. For example, if I maintained two condition records with two different key combinations, or else same key combination, for example. Okay, so this is the material discount you are giving regular basis. Okay, for example, you are giving regular basis 5% or €5. Okay, let's assume this is €5. So any festive season comes, you exclusively double the discount actually. Okay, this is for festive season. So generally what happens if we have there should be a probability always, so you'll try to increase the price. Okay, you will try to increase the discount. Okay, one possibility. Okay, cases like generally, if you don't know releasing status and processing status, increasing the discount. Okay, one case. Second, you are taking separate condition type. Okay, so these two will be like two different condition types. ZMD1, maybe ZMF1, festive season discount. That also you can able to do it. Okay. Third, existing condition record only. Okay. So you are increasing and decreasing, you can able to do it, or else deleting or maintaining. Okay. Delete or maintain. Fresh. Okay. So all these are the possibilities you have. Any condition record. Okay. For example, 5 euros, it is there. So festive time, you try to increase 10 euros. And so, but what is the probability here? Like, it is a continuous validity, assume that lifelong. Okay. In the middle, festive season comes, you'll try to increase or decrease, or else you can able to use supplement. Without using all these things, we can able to play with this scenario by using your processing status and release status. Okay. For example, this is regular basis. Okay. We'll block this one for simply for certain time, and we will release this. Okay. So that in a festive time, this discount will be applicable, or else regular time we release this one we block this. So by default, release means if you keep it blank also, it is active. I will show you on the system how it works actually. Okay. So let's play with the system. Okay. This is a simple example. It can be like, sales org material. So both the cases I have taken the same key combination. So that's where the fun starts actually. So if you want, you can able to take this one as customer material or a price list material or metal group material, any combination for that matters, whether it can be percentage discount or fixed value discount. It's up to you how you would like to play with it. It's not restricted for discounts. You can able to do it for discounts. You can able to do it for your freight. You can able to do it for your base price, and you can able to play with your tax also. Okay. So how the system works by using processing status and release status, we will try to play with the system. This is very, very important. So that's why I'm not explaining namesake. I'll just try to explain with proper examples, all my scenarios in my courses. Okay. So let's come here, sales and distribution. Let's go to the basic functions. In that, you go to the pricing. Let's go to the pricing control. Okay. So we'll take one condition type. Okay, two key combinations. And let's try to play with the system. First, we'll take the condition table. So I'll just do one thing. Maybe create condition table, and this one is I would like to take 915. Okay, so let's try to find VKORG. Okay. See, either different or same, you can able to take it. Same, I would like to show you, because different, probably you can try to do it on your own. Okay, simple way, so that you'll get some idea how it works. It looks like it will try to eliminate other confusions related to access sequence, or if you maintain two key combination, how it works, that everything you can able to play with the system. Because sales organization. Okay, let's go for you can able to test with your existing thing also, but let me try to explain in a proper way. So let's put it this one. Okay, text as regular discount cycle. I'll keep it. Okay, or else regular discount. So for your understanding, when I'm changing description, it can be, you can keep it the same also, no issues. Okay, more important thing is that you have to tick with release status. Okay. Let's generate the table. Okay. So let's save in local object. This is a practice system. Okay, now table is saved. Come back. So let's try to do it for the same thing for 916. If you want, you can able to take other key combination also. Let me try to put it the same way. So VKORG is second VKORG. This is sales organization, and let's try to. We can take a different key combination also, but I'm just taking the same thing. Second. One more time. And let's now take one more time. I'm just taking the material. Here, maybe I can change it as festive discounts. Okay. Let's try to generate this table. So it is saying already exists, no issues. Okay. So now let's try to build an access sequence just following the condition technique. That's it. Okay. This I have already explained in my previous sessions. So maybe a GMA discount, GMAD, okay, material discounts. Let's keep it. So let's try to put the accesses. Let's go to the new entries. So this is 915. And next here we goes 916. All good. So let's try to do the field determination. Here you can able to find it. Okay. So two fields. One is your releasing status and it is processing status. Okay. These two must be appear. Otherwise, you find difficulty to run the scenario. Okay. These two should be green. KFRST and KBSTAD. You need to remember the fields. Let's try to play with the system. And let's put it exclusion. Okay. All good. So let's go for this one. Maybe create. Okay. Let's say this. This is basically our workbench request access sequence of tables in pricing. Okay. All good. Let's try to define one condition type. Either you can able to take percentage or fixed value, doesn't matter. So let's go for the condition type. So A004 is the standard condition type. Let's copy this GMAD, material discount. Let's keep it. So I just given the same name, okay, for both. Okay. Here, GMAD is basically depends on my on quantity basis. This is basically negative. Okay, I'm just taking this one. So this can be used as a discount or surcharge. Since it is negative, then this is always a discount. Okay, same thing you can able to play with surcharges also. As I said that base prices and freight, whatever the condition type you call, actually depends on the purpose. I will try to show you other purpose also. Okay, so now the condition type is ready. Let's try to place the condition type in our pricing procedure. So let's come here. So my pricing procedure is this. I copied as a standard pricing procedure. I'll try to modify according to it. Okay. So I'll just try to place this one GMAD. Okay. GMAD is our discount. How it works, let me show you. That's the fun. Here, from here, the fun starts actually. So I'm not going to define any releasing status and processing status, okay, for scenario. But I can able to show you what is the existing scenario. Till now, you can able to play with the game. It's a simple game. So now you can able to see this. This is simple. I have taken two tables, and by using condition technique for the same condition type, you can able to take the same key combination or a different key combinations. As of now, I have taken the same key combinations. Okay, regular discount, I'm just maintaining now. So let's come here. This is the material I'm taking now. So maybe regular as for this thing. Let's go for this. Maybe 5 euros. Let's maintain this. So now you can able to see this 5 euros. It will apply. Okay. Come back. So this is regular. Let's 1 second. Okay. Let's take the key combination. This is for festive discount. I'm just taking now. So here I'm maintaining 10 euros. Okay. Let me try to test and show you. Okay. So generally what happens if you come here, now see this, if you click here, go to the conditions in the sales order. Okay. So it is applicable as a 5 euros. Why it is applicable? Let's go to the analysis. Okay. So let's go to the GMAD, our condition type. It is trying to pick this condition record. Even if it is maintained also, it won't pick. Why? Because so access has not been executed due to previous access. Why previous access executed? You put a exclusion mark in access sequence. Okay, that's why even if you maintain both records also, but it is picking this one. Okay, but my scenario is if festival comes, it has to pick this one. Even if you maintain both condition records also, it has to pick this one and it has to ignore this condition record for the time being. It has to pick this one. Okay, so how do we do that? That we can absolutely you can able to do it by using your releasing status and processing status combination. Okay, so I just wanted to make it this green. When this is green, I just wanted to make it this one as red. Okay, maybe I can give it orange. So when this is orange, it should be red. Either one of the possibility, right? Either you will give regular discount, both also you can able to give it, but our scenario is all about like, when this is there, I don't want this. When this is there, I don't want this. Okay. Either one of the discount actually. So now currently what happens? So as per the rule, okay, if I go to v/07, okay. So let's go to the GMAD combination. As for access sequence, how it works, right? When I maintain exclusion, very first, it is reading top to bottom actually, any pricing. So it will read this record and it will miss this. Okay. So if I don't maintain whichever is latest, last one that it is going to read. That's the behavior of the pricing. But it's not the case. I need on and off scenario. Okay. So that we can achieve by using release and processing status. Let me try to help you out. So let's go to the sales and distribution. You can go to the basic functions. So let's go to the pricing. Here comes, okay, the fun part. So let's try to go to the define processing status. Okay, define processing status. Okay, if you come here, processing status and release status. Okay, so both will go hand to hand actually. Okay, so if you would like to go for scenario, see, you will have release status. These are the different statuses will be there. So what is my objective? When when I don't want another condition type, that should be blocked actually. Okay, if it is festive season, regular should be blocked. So if it is normal time, regular will be released and that will be blocked. That we can able to play with the system actually. For example, for example, uh, so let me put it RL. It is a 2-digit release. I'm just defining all the things. I'll just try to show you here. For released, I'm selecting released only. Don't worry about these two options. We'll have a theoretical discussion about this one. Let's put it this one as released. Okay. Next one is BL blocked. I'm taking. Okay. So this is A actually blocked. Okay. Press enter. Basically, blank means released, right? There is no specific thing to do that. If A means blocked actually, DL deletion. Let's put it this one as request for deletion. Okay. And the next one is maybe I can able to say that okay, UN under review. Okay. So what is the basic advantage? I will try to explain you this deletion and under review also. Okay. Let's take this RJ rejected. Okay. So let me try to define this. For our scenario, as of now, you try to remember RL and what is that? Block actually. First, we are going to check these two and remaining I will explain you. It's simple. If you understand these two, you'll get an idea about how the other things works. Okay. So this is basically processing status. Along with that, I am choosing the standard releasing status options. Okay. This is predefined. Okay. This is defined by me, this processing status being a user. Okay. Or else consultant, whatever you call. So we're giving the flexibility. Okay. So whenever it is oral status, it should be blocked. Okay. When this is oral means 5 euros will applicable. Okay. In sales order, this one will be blank. Okay. It won't work. So whenever this is blocked, okay, it should be blank in sales order and oral. That means 10 euros will be applicable. As of now, what is the current scenario? It is happening. It is picking 5 euros since it is a blank release status and regular it is picking our current scenario 10 euros. It is blocked. So let's try to check the converse scenario by using this one. Okay. Simple. Nothing to worry. Let's go to the VK12. Okay. Press enter. So regular price is 5 euros. It is currently coming in the sales order. Okay. Let me try to show you one more time before moving ahead. So if you are not concentrated also, now you can able to understand. So let's come here. Okay. So per KC. So ideally, let's go for analysis. 5 euros is applicable. Okay. So so let me try to show you here. So this combination, it is picking. Now our objective is festive season is running now. It should pick only 10 euros, not 5 euros. Okay. So without changing the condition record, without changing the validity, we can able to play with the system. So press enter. Let's select the regular, go inside. Okay. Now this is disable mode, right? Always you have to select your processing status so that releasing status will be automatically selected. Let's try to put it this one as a BL, blocked status. Once I press enter my keyboard, what is A? A is blocked release status. Okay. Let's save this. So this is for first key combination. When you go to the second key combination for festive, okay, what it happens? So processing status, if you select, if you don't select, it doesn't matter. Blank is released actually, but still let's put it released for our understanding. Okay. So released is blank actually. There is no specifics to select actually, but it has its own uses. I'll tell you one by one. So if you go to the sales order, okay, let's put this one as scenario one. Okay. So now you select here, go to the conditions. See what it is selected. So above one is blocked combination. So that's why. So it is automatically released. So it is got selected. Let's try to check in the analysis tab. Let's go to the GMAD. So now see this blocked. Blocked is the status. Okay. And what happens? This is released. This is how it works actually. Okay. You can able to control for the same combination only. You can able to play with the system. Okay. Now let's try to go to VK12 again. Okay. Press enter. Go for regular discount. So this is blocked, right? So if I release it, what it happens? Because of my, what I would say, exclusion indicator, it is going to take above one only. Okay. So you need not block separately. Second one, even if it is released also. So since it is both are released, right? It is picking first key combination. So both if you put in release status also, okay. So it is picking above one only. Okay, let's go to the analysis and let's try to check GMAT. Okay, as usual, it is taking above. This is the, you can consider this one as a converse scenario, a regular scenario versus your this one. Okay, now go to VK12. All these are, you know, things we're going to see one by one. Okay, if you say your regular one with another status, now you have seen both released and blocked. Let's assume this regular one you don't want to continue further. Okay, so you don't want to do it, but you delete it. Probably you might come back next year or something like that. Maybe let's delete it. Someone said that instead of deleting complete condition record. See, you need not remember, right? If you delete completely, like what is washed out from here. This combination is fine. Like suppose at times you have 5-6 fields combination is there. So check is, let's put it this one, either deletion or rejection. Okay, that possibility also there. Let's put it this deleted. Okay, so now just simply shows the same status. Okay, what is blocked in the sense, right? In the similar way. So it has a different names, but actually it's one and the same. So now ideally the first combination is deleted, €5. It's supposed to apply second one. Okay, let's go for the analysis. The only status changes. Okay, so if you see this is finding, but it is request for deletion, it is showing. Okay, and this one. What is the basic advantage of this one? Certain times, if you put it request for deletion as an end user also, but you don't have an authorization. It can be done by, maybe if you are a order processor, you don't have an authorization, maybe like, price maintenance person will be there, right? That person or else some other XYZ person. If this case comes, like, if this case comes, you can do auto generation message to his mailbox by customization. So if this is the case, then he can able to delete record whenever he want it. Okay. So this is one thing. So for that, mail confirmation, justification, offline also they can able to do it. This is one status. Okay. So now let's go to the VK 12 again. Let's try to put it uh, another status like rejected. So it will so now it has shown deletion, right? So let's put it the rejected. Okay. So it is also one and the same, but it will show as it's got rejected. So since it is a festive season, that's fine. Your regular one is got rejected. Again, 10 euros applied. See, vice versa, you can able to play with the system. I'm just showing an example. So now you can able to see this. See, it is got so not this one. Sorry, Gmad. If you go here, so it is got a status as rejected, and second combination is on. So you can able to do the vice versa. That's what I'm telling. So basically, this we'll put it as scenario 4. Let's save this. Okay. So this is one thing. The final one, let me try to explain you. So it has, you can able to develop complex scenarios also. But what I would like to show you is how each and every status works. Now let's put it under review. If you put it under review also, the price is not applicable yet. Okay. Maybe it is under review. If someone is approves, okay, your background program triggers, okay, so like, your developer can help you out to do all these things. If something is under review, it won't applicable immediately, or else like, some G report or ALV report will be there. Such a case, what happens? Uh, so it will be, once it is approved, it will be released, and the existing one, what are the prices you have, this combination, it will be rejected. Like that, you can able to develop programs with automation. Okay. Now let's check. Simple thing. Okay. Again, 10 years applicable. If it is under review also, it just won't apply. And it will show us, hey boss, it is in review. So that, you cannot able to get this 5 euros. Okay. Let's assume if it is got approved. Okay. So if it is got approved by some program, okay. So the festival is over. If it is got approved, so that, your condition record at table level, it will be modified, and it will be definitely under release status, and whatever the other key combination will be there. You need not reject this. In this case, if you have more, like, combinations or more than 3 combinations, so you can able to reject this one. Okay. Other combinations, like, 10 combinations are there. Other 9 will be rejected or deleted by your program. So like that, you can able to develop different scenarios. Depends on the client interest. Maybe you think that I never seen these kind of scenarios throughout in my products. No problem. You are a consultant. If you want, if you understand what is the client language, you can able to remember it. Let's try to take 5 cases this time. So that, 5 into 525 it is applied, so that, above one regular price is applied, so that, below one can be rejected by your program. That, or else you can able to do it manually. There is no point, right? So don't have this one. Access is not executed. If you reject, if you don't reject, it doesn't matter. If it is executed, then if it is more than 2 combinations, you can able to play with the system. I think By this time, you got some idea how the processing status and release status works. Okay. Before moving ahead, I would like to request, this is my course, 81.5 hours. If you really want, you can able to try my S4HANA course. I specifically recommend, if you would like to learn, if you are so have a passion to learn pricing, this is one of the dynamic function. So currently I'm holding this one. See, if you look at this 578 reviews with 4.4. Okay. And this is the course about 8.5 hours. This is completely, very good course. If you don't have any idea about pricing, also you can try. Or else if you want in standard level advanced concepts with S4 HANA integration, I'm currently adding this course also over here. You can try these courses. Okay. So if you're beginner, then better try before getting into real time, getting mastered to write functional specification, how to write an idoc. It is very, very important. So keep learning, be honest. Okay. So that's it. I would like to tell. So you can able to try different courses, like down payment scenarios also I have explained, and these two courses specifically useful for your support, how support works. Your support scenarios, of course, in YouTube also available, and some incidents here also I have given some more, another 4 hours, around 20 lectures means more than 20 plus incidents I have explained, around 20 incidents. I'm not completely sure. I didn't remember. Okay. Please subscribe my channel so that around 1,000 plus videos you can able to watch on your free time. So please keep in touch either through YouTube or Udemy if you have any doubts. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and have a great day. Once again, Happy New Year.